Hey everybody, if you would like to transfer money from your Wise account to your bank account and you are looking out how to do so, you may follow up this process and you should be able to do it. So for that, you can open up your Wise website or the application and sign in into your account. And from this space right here, you should be finding your total balance, your currency right here. And you just need to select the option of send here. So click on send and you need to type in the recipient's name. You need to choose to add up a new recipient if you have not before, or just go over and select up your local recipient here. And once that is done, you need to select up their currency. So you can just go over and select up your currency, what your currency is. And once you select up your local currency, you need to provide in your banking details. You can search for Wise if you'd like to transfer it to Wise, or if you'd like to transfer it into a bank account, you can select the option of enter bank details instead. And once that is done, you can select who is your new recipient, yourself, someone else, or business or charity. You can select one and enter up your account details. So provide in the account details the full name of the account holder, the account number itself, and another thing. And once that is done, just go over and confirm it up. And the money should be sent. You just need to go over and do so. And once the recipient is selected, you can type in how much you are sending. So you can just go over and type in the amount that you are sending. And once it is done, confirm it up by clicking on this continue option and enter up your password to approve the transfer. Once you enter up your password, tap on done. And you just need to confirm and send it. You can check the exchange rate, fees, and estimated arrival time carefully and confirm the transaction and send it, which might require a password or biometric verification. And that should probably transfer your money from your Wise to your bank account. And that's it, everybody. We hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.